Oh, I just fell arse with it. I'm in for it tonight, boys. Look at this. Good.
So with a 3.5-hour drive, we'll see you lovely lot at our park up.
Oktoberfest, here we come. We are here, but the last few months we've having issues with the engine. I think it might be coming to, what's the word?
Coming to light now.
Coming to light. So this week I replaced the fuel pressure regulator because I've caught it once on the scanner that the engine wouldn't start because of low fuel pressure. So I went straight for the jug, I replaced that. Just something's not right. I was sort of down on power on the way here. And like the throttle response wasn't right. Yeah. Hopefully it just gets us there tomorrow so we have a party and then we'll figure out getting home.
God, can you imagine?
Yes, I can imagine.
Oh, it's Oslo. I can't see. Someone's knocking.
Someone's knocking.
I can't see out the window.
Hey!
Alright, how are you?
Not too bad, you. I stood out there waving at you.
I literally can't see out.
I thought you were inside.
No, we're not.
In a massive puddle.
I know.
I see you brought the Welsh weather with you.
Yeah, I know.
Crap,
It's horrendous all the way here.
It's
all the
crap,
way
isn't it?
here. Right then, let's crack a beer. I like that. Had a bit of food, had a few beers in the Leinford Inn. Now we're going to go over Harry Lawns for a few drinky poos.
You tell James had 4 cruise campos.
I haven't drunk nothing tonight. Oh. I got my hat on as well.
Good night. So cute that you slept up there all night.
Good morning, Ribbies.
Dead ribbies.
What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? That's cool. River 7. Got signage. Never thought that. Oh, I just fell arse with it. Oh! I can stay on my knees. Sting nails at the side. Push past. Last night was amazing. If you don't go to Oktoberfest now, this afternoon, hey, come here, squirrel. Oi! Leave it alone, Rip. Come here. Rip, come here. Come here, you. It's the first time I'd say me, Chantal, Harry and Lauren sat down together, had a few drinks together, and the conversation was brilliant. Not gonna lie. I don't think Lauren's too well this morning. Chantal's alright at the minute. As long as I get better for this afternoon. We knew this would happen, we knew. So last night we stayed till last orders. Had some snacky food. Good food there as well, we just had sides to be fair. We've got to show you the present Harry and Lauren brought us back from Europe as well. Oh, what a nice little trail this is. Come on then, hey, ginger pubes, get back behind me. What's wrong, boy? What's wrong, boy? Don't worry, I won't gone for long. No. Ready to carry on going? Come on in. There's some beautiful houses around here. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. In theory, when I get back to the bus, we should have a full breakfast on the go. Good boy.
Thank you.
Oh, no breakfast on the go.
Huh?
No breakfast.
Oops, I didn't see that.
Oh, right. Engine. I need some professional opinions. I did catch it with a scanner saying low fuel pressure when I was trying to start it once. So something to do with the fuel system. I've changed the fuel pressure regulator. When we stopped the fuel station last night, even just turn it off and then turn it back on, even after 5 minutes, she just struggled to start. So It's not maintaining pressure. I don't know. Is it not starting because of the fuel pressure sensor? Maybe that's the next step. But as long as it as long as it dries for 15 minutes a day, I don't care. I cannot wait for this. There's a bad headache in there somewhere. We are at the Lederhosen Inn. Like a hotel, does food. You stay in the car park for free if you have a beer or some food. So that's what we did last night. And then one thing rolled into another, and then now we're suffering. I'm not too bad. We're also right by the Severn. See a boatyard over there. And luckily it's a beautiful day. Very pleasant. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Come on, hurry up. His face.
Hi.
We was going to go to Oktoberfest because this is Bushcraft Barry. He wanted to do another beer festival. So I did some research. Found it was happening in Arlington, which we've been there before actually. Start of this winter with Harry and Lauren. But he's not here, he couldn't make it. Lauren's not too well at the minute. 3 guys pulled out last night. So it might just be me and Chantal going. Actually, we don't know if we're going to make it yet because we don't know if the bus is going to get us there.
Oh yeah.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl, my heart's pounding. Shit. Once she goes, she's fine.
It's just coughs. Oh. You just turn it off?
No.
Oh dear.
Looks like we're going nowhere. Come on, girl. Looks like we're ringing the RAC. You can get a taxi then. Oh yeah, Harry starts first time. We're losing power. Let's check under it. No, we definitely got diesel.
Oh dear.
Check there's nothing obvious. It's not bad.
You got the handbrake on?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good shout actually.
It should be tighter, yeah.
Oh, this is hilarious.
It's a strange noise.
What, from the battery? Do you reckon it's the battery?
No.
Oh.
Come on, this is the one.
You'll be diving for a ride soon.
Yeah. Classic. What?
So, what's that all about? Disconnecting the battery and reconnecting it. Don't know. Little gremlins happening in this engine at the minute. I need to get it sorted. And we're here. The more and more I think about it, the bus was going quite smoothly on the way here. So I wonder if all these issues were just from a loose connection.
Yeah, it's got to be that little connection on the battery because you had a little twiddle with that and it started first time. Guaranteed, it's that. Something so simple,
mechanic,
hopefully. No? Yeah.
The connection should be tight. No, but when we had the original problem, I loosened the battery terminal to disconnect it. So maybe my new fuel pressure regulator has fixed the issue, but not putting the battery on tight may have caused some issues last night. So fingers crossed, we might have fixed it. Might have fixed
Well,
it.
if she starts at first time when we go to leave, you know it's 100% fixed.
It does make sense as well because we were pulling hard uphill last night. The engine just cut out and then it come back to life, cut out. So it does sort of imply maybe a power issue or a battery issue. So we're here for the second best Oktoberfest. Obviously the original over in Munich is the place to be. Alton Court Farm campsite. So we parked up in an orchard. Absolutely
Super
gorgeous.
pretty here though.
So you got the winter
Absolutely.
feeling, but like summery vibe of an orchard. And there's a
Yeah.
fair few people here pitched up and camping as well. So
And again, I did the same. I didn't do. Usually, I look up online, do
Yeah.
a bit of research. But I came to this place not knowing
Chantal's first
anything really, and obviously it's a lovely little pleasant surprise.
time. Yes.
Driving
Didn't expect
through.
him. So Lauren's, bless her, she's not well. We apologise to all the Harry and Lauren subscribers. You might not even get a video this weekend. So first things first is to go and check in, I believe. You going for a check in? We're all checked in. Ooh, echoey. Hello. We're all checked in, got our steins for the night. And to be fair, it looks good. There's a good crack going on already. And it's heated. So it's going to be nice and warm tonight. It might look warm, but it isn't. It is cold. What's the chances Chantal falling in there tonight? Oh god.
Is that a full can?
That's one can. Here we go.
Do a flake with that.
That's how they serve it in Europe.
Is it?
Prost. Look how cool these glasses are. Or cups, plastic cups.
We'll have a little collection of those.
Yeah, we do. We've got a few in them in the cupboard now. Look at this. Memories. All these memories. What's wrong, mate? You want to go in? Come on, come with us. Come on. Sit. You got a new driver.
Hello, pal.
Paul?
Good
Good boy. You can see Harry's looking good. Woohoo, big summer blowout. Time to get us in outfits. Chantal's putting a face on. Well, I'm in for it tonight, boys. Look at this. Oh, stuck in your pants. Ooh, I should wear that more often.
Harry and Lauren probably an eyeful because they can probably see
Yeah,
through.
sometimes we forget. Sometimes
Yeah.
you can see through the window. You can see there.
Sorry guys, if you've seen a little
Yeah, if they knocked you out, we do
Underwear
apologise. No, I do get it. The hat is American.
You haven't got a button.
Am I? I'm missing a button.
Yep.
Okay, cool. And to be fair to Harry, you see the back there. Harry isn't a big fancy dresser upper, but he's pulling all the stops out tonight. It's good. And he's actually just got back from Germany, so it all fits perfectly.
Absolutely. I'm literally walking with this.
I know, I'm waiting for your skirt to go up. Come on, wind. Come on, wind. Come on. Come on, wind. No, afternoon.
Afternoon, everybody.
What a night.
Oh, that was class, though, wasn't it?
That's how you throw an Oktoberfest party. Well done, Spilsbury Jones.
Really impressed, especially the dancing on the tables.
Everyone was dancing on tables at the end. So you've woken up lots of fishermen around as well. So there must be a bit of a competition on.
Well, maybe it's a Sunday, people just come to fish as a
Could
hobby,
be.
maybe.
So you gained an hour last night.
Extra hour.
What's the time? 2 o'clock?
Pardon? Yeah.
2 o'clock. We're the last ones here. Well, no, there was a couple of vans in the corner. Hope you get better soon, Lauren.
Yeah, feel better soon.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to blur this out actually. That's
Yeah,
limoncello
thank you so much for our
in a
presents,
special shaped
guys.
glass. Yeah, thanks for our presents.
Thank you so much.
You can see half it's missing. That might be why Lauren's got a bad head, because half that is missing.
I still got my beerings in.
Yeah.
I'm actually,
Yeah.
I like them. And thank you again for those, Lauren, as well.
Of course, yeah, that's
Really
really good
good.
for Lauren.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, they're class.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
She looked really real as well. So you've also got a couple of steins.
For some reason we came back with 4.
You've come back
Four
before
steins.
with a tabletop in. And it's cool. You glasses, yeah.
They are class.
We've also grabbed one of these for subscribers who messaged us said, can
Can you grab us a
Can
glass?
they grab us
So
one
we
as well,
literally
so-
went round.
Right, we're going to make a move, get on the road. I'm actually looking forward to the drive for some reason.
Yeah, you said that.
Yeah.
I was like,
Strange thing to say, but...